Honorable Kennedy Japan. I'm me chow. Who can be say NDC4 or air planning? So the confusion about election center on 7 December. Maybe so. Kisiano, one never power this year. One make it up 2 minutes this year. I saw be per se or ye Takashi, and I'll be per se or for Takashi. Ebra a fee election more. One or 2 years or to me and deal with the person. Also, evidence behind proof I just said. Mahama, any ninko for Ayo Mabis or Omudi Itokwa, Ebeba, a fee election on 7th December. Some Wabeka, election with Pese Boom, Omudi confusion, Eba, election centers. Mr. Ken, what buying a wasu? What buying a kita 2 minutes here? What buying no better decided, everything I enforce security system, no better order security system, some more enforce law. And question who have all the necessary documents now. Papers na HSA said one information every NDC4 why HSA or more medical confusion about a few more. Who trending? Now what buying now was no then oh yeah. Maybe so. Says so evidence me I'm not against your evidence and I'm not against you, but your words now by HSA. We see evidence no. I HSA microphone I am meeting. On the 7th December, I'm person mo fan chokwa. I'm person mo say about to one. Now who are one of them now who train. And I'm moving as a to. Nana do not want to know buying leader now. President Akufo-Addo. Then also the commander in chief himself. Then they say, oh yeah, and you be all the information in Amana. All the papers in the BBA man evidence in the BBA HSA. I am passing NDC4 issue. Omu plans. Omu plan say. Omu say after better. And you be a papers now evidence now and you build it now commander in chief Nana Duana. And the Saudi commander assembly na waka found and I then our found. Se who see upe o mine se who see uda o mine Ghana. Se who see upe Ghana for se who see upe timu for asem. Se who see domu. Se who see upa sunbie o Ghana say am papa se upa sunbie. The OC on the 7th December, if the security system fails to protect, who will protect it? Who say fight in the back? Say if you really love your country, say now who can say Ghana, Ghana for us and who pass in Ghana, then you shouldn't take the law into your hand. Mr. Kennedy, you shouldn't take the law into your hand. Hand over everything to the commander-in-chief, your leader, to let the security system to enforce the law. That whosoever that is found in that kind of act should be arrested. Not yourself. You cannot take the law into your hand. Mr. Kennedy. Ghana no back open. We have only one Ghana. We don't have any Ghana anywhere. We only have one Ghana here. Say who sing for one information said they have some guys from Kumasi that will be coming on 7th December to police stations to come across confusion. If indeed you have those information, what are you waiting for? Why can't you hand over it to the national security, the BNI? Why can't you give the information to the commander-in-chief, Nana Akufo-Addo, to command or to enforce the law to work? Because he has the power. Even if you are saying that an opposition, if you really opposition is able to gather all those people to cause confusion, commotion on the 7th December, and your government is not able to do anything about it, then what is it they're doing? Then what is his work? As a government, you must protect your people. You must care about the well-being of your people. You must care about the security, how safety your people are in the country. So if your leader Nana Addo is there and all these things are happening, and he cannot do anything, that you, Mr. Ken, that want to take the law into your hand, no. You want to take your law into your hand, telling Ghanaians that you love Ghanaians. I don't think you love Ghanaians. If you really love Ghanaians, you really love Ghana, you really want peace to reign, always reign in Ghana, then you shouldn't take the law into your hand. You shouldn't say that you will fight and kill people on 7th December if someone comes to fight. To cause commotion. I don't think so. Because when you fighting those people, or through in the process of fighting those people, or the act of fighting those people, do you know how many innocent souls are going to die, are going to be killed? Because on 7th December, the time of counting, the day of counting the ballots, people will be there, innocents will be there the observers will be there to observe the election. So if that thing happens, and you don't hand over this case to a commander-in-chief or national security for them to take the law, to enforce the law, to arrest anybody that is found in that evidence that you have. And when you take the law into your hand, when someone came there to fight, or someone is there to fight, or to cause commotion, and you also retaliate, or you also fight against those people, do you know how many innocent souls you guys are going to kill that very day? Some people will be there as observers just to observe, but in the process of exchange of bullets or exchange of the weapons, it might go and hit some innocent souls. So I am telling you, Mr. Kennedy, that if indeed you really love Ghanaians, you really want peace to reign in Ghana, hand over everything to your leader and let your leader to enforce the law. He's the commander-in-chief, he has the power. But if he's failed to do this, then he has failed. And if you hand over, in case you hand over this document to Nana Akufo-Addo, you hand over it to BNI, and they are not able to do anything about this. They are not able to put any necessary measures in place to prevent this from happening, then I'm sorry, your government is really disappointed. The MPP government is really disappointed. And then I'm sorry, Ghanaians are disappointed in Nana Akufo-Addo. If you hand over this thing to him and he's not able to do anything about this serious allegation or alleged that you said or you brought out, now I'm sorry, I'm disappointed in him. Ghanaians are highly disappointed in Nana Akufo-Addo. So Mr. Kennedy, hand over every necessary document to Nana Akufo-Addo. Let himself a commander-in-chief to enforce the law. Let himself to do a follow-up on this particular case, because it's a very serious case that you brought out now. Let Nana Addo himself take this case on his hand. Mr. Kennedy, in Ghana we want peace, and we want peace to reign forever. We don't need no war. We don't need no killing here and there. We Ghanaians, we never need any killing here and there. We need peace in this country. We need peace in this country. When people are preaching about peace, people are on television advertising or making a peace campaign. People are going around doing peace campaign. People are going around preaching peace to the street, to the people of Ghanaians. Some of the pastors are preaching peace. Some of individuals take it upon themselves preaching peace around. Preaching peace for the peace to reign, the peace to reign long in Ghana. People are praying for peace in this particular election. And if you also said you want peace in this country, then you shouldn't make that statement that you exchange bullets. Hand over everything to the government in power to take in charge of everything. Hand over everything to government in power to take in charge of the security system. Because if you, even in position, a position is saying this, that you lose a lot of trust in IGP and the security system, then what about the opposition people? What do you want them to say? If you are in position, you are saying because of you lost trust in them in a security system, you are going to take the law into your hand. You are not going to sit down. You are not going to play any gentility game. You are going to retaliate. You are going to fight against them back when NDC people have come to cause any commotion. If you are in a position and making this kind of statement or this kind of comment, that you guys are going to fight back against NDC people when they come in on 7th December in police station to cause commotion. If you are in power, how you are in government and you have every power to enforce the law, to arrest anybody that has been found in your evidence that you had, Mr. Kennedy, let them be arrested. Don't take the law into your hand. You say you love Ghana, you want peace to reign. If you really want peace to reign in Ghana, let it reign. Let it rain on the right way. Let it rain on the right way. Let it rain on the right way. I am telling you, Mr. Kennedy.